What's up, Sunrays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be going over all the mousses in my stash, and I knew I had some mousses, but again, I didn't think I had quite this many. It is definitely not the same amount as the shampoos, but I still think I have quite a few mousses. But we're going to see which ones that I know that I like and are my favorites that may be able to get me through 2026. And then we're going to have the ones that are like, I'm not sure. I need to revisit. Never tried before. So can we really count those? Okay. So y'all keep track. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys. So again, starting with my cubbies back here. One of the first mousses that I pulled out was the Camille Rose Guava Slip, the Hold Up Mousse. This mousse, I tried it along with the new gel, and I wasn't that impressed. I need to try it alone. I have not tried this mousse alone, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like it. Now, I've seen other people use it, they like it, but when I try to use it alone on one section of my hair, I got flaking, but I had flaking in all my hair when I used the gel and the mousse and all the things. So yeah, right now this is gonna be a I don't know, but I wanna love it. But right now it's a I don't know. Another mousse that I have from Camille Rose is the Spiked Honey Mousse. I've had this for a while. I actually did use this on my channel. It's been a while ago. It was, I'll link the video here. And I think I used it for a twist out. And I think I got an okay twist out. But again, I'm not positive. So this is one that I need to revisit. I still have quite a bit in here, but a lot of people really like this one too. Someone just told me about a combo to use with this, and I might try that out. But right now, this is a, I don't know if it's going to be a repurchase and stay in my stash even after my no buy. Another mousse that I had in my stash is the She Scented Tropical Fruit Sangria. Remember, I have the line to this. I asked you guys if you wanted to see it. You guys weren't all that interested, but I wanted to try out their mousse, so I have it. It still has the plastic on it. It's never been opened, so this again is a I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not, but I definitely need to break it open and see. All right, guys, right now I don't have any I loves yet. Another one is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Antidote Mousse. I just used this recently on my channel when I reviewed some of the Main Choice products. I'll link that video here. I think I said that I like this mousse. I think this is a pretty good mousse, but again, I need to revisit it. I believe I liked it. I can't remember if I used it once or twice. I can't remember, guys. So but with that being said, I want to revisit it. I think I like this one, but I need to revisit it. Another one is the ORS Olive Oil Goodbye Dry 100% Aloe First Styling Mousse. Looks like this. Recently did a review on these products too. I'll link them here. And I believe this was a pretty good mousse. I don't think that it had a whole lot of hold, but it wasn't a bad mousse. But again, I don't think I tried it for a, did I try this for a twist out alone? I need to revisit. I don't remember. I need to revisit. Another mousse is the Curl Show Curl Style Mousse, which looks like this. I did use this. I did like this mousse. So I think I'll put it over here. I think that I would be able to use it and get me some use through 2026. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on this side over here. I also have the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Mousse. I like this one, although I just used it, did a combo with it that I loved, and it didn't quite turn out because I ended up adding, you know, a leave-in, and then I used, you know, some DUCs that I didn't really, anyway, it was a whole to-do, got flakes. But I have used this alone with just the gel, got a really good wash and go. I used it alone with the I believe I used this alone for a twist out, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I like this mousse. I like this mousse, so I'm going to put it over here, okay? Another mousse I have on hand is the Curl Mix Wash and Go mousse. Have not used this. No, I take it back. I used one of Curl Mix's mousse years ago, I believe. Or it was at Trelux. I want to think it was this years ago, and I think it worked for me. But it's been so long that I don't remember. So this is brand new. Haven't used this one, so I need to figure that out. I need to use it. Another mousse is the For You Curl Defining Mousse by For You by Tia, and provides touchable hold and definition. I don't remember much about this, so it's over here in the I don't know. I also have the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. Love this. It's almost gone. It's down to here. I need to use it up, but I don't have any more, and I'm on a no-buy, so I'm holding on to this for when I know I need a good mousse. So, yeah, I don't know how far this will get me, but it'll get me somewhere. Love it. I'm gonna put that over there. I also have the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Foam Setting Mousse, which looks like this. Like this one. This one is a really good mousse as well. So that will help get me through 2026. So I'm gonna put that over there. I also have the Trelux Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse. This mousse is really good too. I have videos on my channel using it. I like it. I am going to put it over here in the stay to get me through 2026. I also have another one. So, oh shoot. Both of these are used. One was downstairs in my bathroom. It's down to here. And then this one was up here and it's down to here. I actually could probably put these in the same bottle and just have one bottle and it'll be full. So that might be what I do just to save up some space. I'm not sure, but I got both of these and I'm gonna put them over here. And then I have the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse, which looks like this. This is a brand new bottle. I purchased this, I've used it once since I had it. I purchased it a while ago when I ran out of my smaller bottle, and it's been in the back of my shelf. I like this one too. This one does have a silicone in it, I believe, so I pull for these other ones first. But this one is not bad. This one is the one that I believe I had in my arsenal before all of these other ones, and I liked it, and it was the one that I would use. And then as I started, you know, kind of branching out on mousses, then I started pulling from the other ones first, and this was in the background. But this one is really good. So if you're looking for a mousse with a silicone in it, then this may be one that you want to pick up. I'm sure this has a silicone in it. Hold on. Dimethicone, yes. So, you know, that's going to help you with, you know, flyaways, the humidity and stuff like that. So this one I'm going to put over here in the I like it, and it'll help me get through 2026. So yeah, so far I'm kind of tied up with the likes and the I'm not sures, but we're not done yet, so let's keep going. Okay, so another mousse that I have on hand is the Do Mousse Def. I definitely like this mousse. It's really good. I've used it for a wash and go as well as a twist out, and it's worked good for both of those. So that's going to be in my yeses. I also have the My El Pomegranate and Honey Curl Defining Mousse with hold. I use this along with their hard holding gel. Got a really good wash and go with it. I'm trying to remember if I use this for a twist out on its own. I don't remember if I have or not. But I definitely want to do that. But for now, I'm going to put it over here in the likes because I do like it. And I think that I would be able to use it for that. So that's in my likes. I also have the Curly Bell Tropical Curl Enhancing Mousse. This is new. Haven't tried it. It's full to the top. So I definitely need to try it out. So this is a I don't know. Yeah. I am going to say that this isn't going to be a repurchase because I don't buy that much Curly Bell stuff. So it's one of those things, you know, I bought this along with some other products of theirs that I wanted to try. And when I tried them, I wasn't all that enthused. And so this is just kind of what's left. So yeah, need to try it. Another one is the TGIN Rosewater Curl Defining Mousse. It's new, have it not used. I picked this up to use with the Rosewater Gel for a mousse gel wash and go. Just haven't done it yet, so I definitely need to do that combo for you guys. But for now, it's in the I don't know because I've never used it. I also have the Anasi Define and Shine Volumizing Styling Mousse, which looks like this. I have used it. It's down to here. I just don't remember. I want to think I got a good wash and go with it. Or twist. I don't remember. I don't remember. So this is going to be in the I don't knows. But I do like Anasi products. So that's a I don't know. I also have the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, which I've used before. I think I tried this. I think I did like a battle maybe, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't think it won the battle. I can't remember, but I've used it, as you can see. Maybe I tried to use it for a Flexi Rod set or something. I don't really remember what I used it for. That's crazy, but I want to think maybe I used it for a Flexi Rod set. Anyway, it's I don't know. I don't know about that one. I also have two pattern mousses. I have the Curl Mousse in the original scent, and I also have the Palo Santo scent. I like pattern mousses, so these both are going to get me through 2026. This one is almost gone. This one is a little bit, it has a little bit more in it. So I'm going to put these over here with the yes. And then I also have the Mayo Avocado and Tamanu Anti-Frizz Mousse. I believe I got this from the World Natural Hair Show. They were giving this out. Never used it, so I don't know about it. I'm going to put it over here for now because I don't know. And then I have two of the Rizzo Curl Defining Mousses. And I said I wasn't going to show like travel sizes, but the reason I'm showing these is because I don't have a big one. And I purchased these to use and do a review on. And I just purchased two to make sure I had enough. So with that being said, this is like a full-size mousse. I'm not really using these for travel. I'm using them to do a review. Now, if I remember correctly, I did use the mousse on my channel in a video here, and I believe I liked it, but I wanted to revisit the mousse in a different way, and that's why I ended up picking up another one just to make sure that I had enough. So I think I like this mousse, and hopefully it can move over here, but for right now it's going to be in the I don't knows. Okay, so that is pretty much the mousses I have for the shelf, and I only have a couple more to show you that actually came from my to be used up and the boxes over there that are to be sold or given away. So the first one is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Repair and Grow Curl Sculpting Mousse, which looks like this. This is the one that was on my to be used up shelf, so it's down to here. Just have a little bit left to go. I don't really care for the way that this foams out, and as far as the hold and things like that, I think it may be okay, but whether it is or not, it's not going to be a repurchase, because after I get rid of all my curls products, I'm probably not going to repurchase them, just because the site is no longer. Then you go to Amazon. Amazon might have the stuff, they may not. If they do, it's hiked up, so it's going to be a no. But yeah, because I'm trying to use it up, I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here to say it's going to help me get through 2026, but it doesn't mean that it's a love. The next mousse I have on hand is the Ouidad Botanical Boost Multi Curl Foam, which looks like this. Never used it, still has plastic on it. I decided to put it over there in the giveaway or sale because I tried some other Ouidad things and I was like, I don't know, so I'm not going to open this and waste it. But now I think I do want to give it a try. I saw, I think it was What the Kink say she uses this, and I think she uses it as like a leave-in or something like that. Go to her channel and check it out, but I believe that's how she says she uses this, that it works better as, or either a topper, one of the two, either a primer or a topper is what she uses it for, not necessarily to set her twist outs, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, I just want to use it because if it's good like under a gel, then that's kind of how I use mousses a lot. Because I am a wash and go girl, so if it works like that, I might try it like that. And I believe she says a similar thing about the Curl Mix mousse, if I'm not mistaken. But y'all go over and check out What the Kinks channel. She got a good channel over there, and she gives some good information, and she uses products differently than I do sometimes and things like that. So she may be a good resource for you all. So yeah, I'll put her channel link in the description box. And then last but not least, a mousse that I had over there that I was going to sell or give away is the Talia What You Eat Love My Natural Hair Honey Botanica Hibiscus Mousse. This one again is one that I was just like, yeah, I don't know. I tried out the Talia Was Eat shampoo and all that, and that kind of turned me off, and I'm just like, let me just put the whole line over there. I don't know about it, but I think I'm going to revisit it. Maybe I need to try this by itself to do something with, because I really can't remember. That was so long ago, and it turned me off so much that I try to forget about it. So I can't even remember how I used it, if I even used it. It's full, so I'm not even sure if I used this out of the line. I don't want to think I did. I think I stopped using the line after the shampoo, and then I went to, I can't remember. It's going to be an I don't know. It's over here too with the I don't knows, okay? So guys, that's it. Did y'all keep track? Did y'all count? So do I have enough mousses to get me through 2026? Let me know in the comment section if you think I do or if you think I don't. I actually know that I have a more I don't knows than I do of yes, I loves, or at least I likes and can help get me through. But you let me know what you think. What did you tally up? I'm trying to keep it in my head. You let me know. All right, guys, that's it for all the mousses in my stash. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what mousses you have in your stash. If you have one that you love that I didn't mention, jot it down there. Let us know what it is. I'm on a no-buy right now, but it doesn't mean that I can't put it down as on a wish list for when I can buy something. So if you have a Holy Girl mousse, share with us in the comment sections below. And guys, yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.